I'm running the Amtrak diesel train there, pulling the Amtrak passenger cars, and I got another one, new model, that's coming around Kennerville and a few other little towns, and it's coming back around, ready to go up the trestle here. Both Amtrak trains are running great. The top one is from the 1970, the other one's from a newer model. And everything's still looking great. I hope everybody enjoys this video. And have a great day. And if you would please, if you can subscribe to me, I appreciate it. It's free. Thank you.